How to replace a gift card with a Clover gift card. Go to the F4 gift card app. Type in the old card number into the account field. Have the transaction set to inquiry and hit run transaction. This will give you the balance of the card. Change the transaction type to redemption and redeem the full amount of the card. Select run transaction. You'll get a successful message. Return to the top, select the account number field, delete the old card number, select swipe, and swipe in the new Clover gift card that you're replacing the card with. Select run transaction, and you'll successfully have loaded the new gift card.